I'm Majed on the Grow team at Cordy. There's been a lot of buzz in the AI healthcare space about the ChatGPT for doctors, a tool that enables making high-stakes clinical decisions at the point of care. By combining Cordy's multi-agent architecture alongside speech-to-text and text generation, that's exactly what I've built here in the sample application of a clinical assistant. This demo was built under 2 days and showcases the ease of using Cordy's API right out of the box. Now, this is just one of the ways a developer can architect their solution on Cordy's API, as the goal is to enable as much flexibility as possible while giving you the certainty that you're building on a trusted foundation of vertical AI expertise. And because Cordy is API first, every AI capability in this demo is completely embeddable directly in your own software. Now, let's walk through an instance of using this demo. Like when I try and type a message in this text entry box to this agent, or click one of the many pre-configured prompt examples available, random prompt here, hits an A2A powered orchestrator that figures out what I'm asking, delegates it to the right specialist agent, and streams back a response. So in this case, I asked it a very specific medical question, and it gave me a response with some key points and references and a table summary. Note that I'm not calling a single model here. There is an entire multi-agent system coordinating behind the sample app. So given this, I'm going to go ahead and click a new chat and showcase our speech-to-text endpoint and how they can be used in conjunction with our Cordy's agentic framework. I'll pretend to be a clinician using the speech-to-text endpoint for the following sample input. The patient is a 45-year-old male presenting with chest pain that started 2 days ago. He reports the pain is sharp, located in the left side of the chest, and rates 6 out of 10. He has a history of hypertension, and vital signs show blood pressure 140/90, heart rate 88, and a temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. We assess his breathing and pain response during the consultation and plan to assess his condition via further testing. Here we can see the system clinically extracting facts, which is now available in the context memory of the multi-agent system we're conversing with, right? So if I ask it right now, please provide a summary of the patient's condition, and I click enter, you can see that I'm able to close this drop-down box and get a message here that says these facts are now available as context for follow-up questions. Ask it for a summary, and it will remember what I've said previously. Give me the details, and you can actually generate a SOAP note from this. So if I go ahead and click SOAP note here, I can generate in multiple languages. So I can also upload a JSON file here in this conversation, giving the multi-agent system rich clinical context to work with as well. And I can also view the raw API response to gather full understanding of how to integrate this multi-agent system for other use cases. And I can see also a little drop down as well saying, highlighting the important sort of information for understanding the API response. I encourage you to explore the different capabilities of this demo, as well as checking out Cordy's agentic framework in more detail in Cordy's console. And that's linked under the Start Building buttons in this demo and also on our website. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@cordy.ai. Thanks.